Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is May 12th, 2016. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, looking at the S&P 500 E-mini futures, you're going to see the futures are flying high this morning. They're up about 12 and a quarter points. We just had some economic data out. It was weekly jobless claims. Looks like that rose 20,000, but I don't think the market really cares too much about that at the moment. You could see right here around 3 o'clock in the morning, futures decided to take off to the upside. And right now we're pulling back a little bit, but nonetheless, futures are up about 12 points ahead of the opening bell. Right now trading at 20.70 per contract. All right, let's look at some stocks in the news because that's where the money's going to be made today. Ralph Lauren is first up on board here. Stock closed at $84.50. Looks like they reported earnings. They're trading at $87.75. It's a pretty good little jump here. We'll look at this one once the opening bell rings. I don't think there's a whole lot that we're going to do with it right now, but either way, Ralph Lauren will be on our radar. And if you want to trade alongside of us, always come over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room, and you'll see everything that we are doing in there. Next up, we have Jack in the Box. Ticker symbol is JACK. Stock is trading at $72.07. It closed at $65.14 yesterday. So this is a pretty good gap up. I'm going to have gap resistance levels for this one. They will be posted up in the intraday stock chat room at 9 a.m. So if you want to trade Jack in the Box alongside of us, come on over, take the 7-day free trial, and you'll see everything that we're doing in there. Jack in the Box will have gap up resistance levels posted at 9 a.m. All right, next up we have Monsanto. It looks like Bayer is trying to make a takeover bid for Monsanto. Stock caught a pretty big pop this morning, almost traded up to $110. Right now sitting at 102. I am going to have gap resistance levels for this stock as well. They'll be posted up in the intraday stock chat room at 9 o'clock. So we have Jack in the Box and Monsanto right now, and maybe we'll get a few more. Next up, we're going to have Kohl's Stores. Kohl's Stores right now is trading at $35.65. The stock closed at $38.70. Looks like they reported earnings. Yesterday we had terrible earnings from Macy's. That dragged the retail sector lower. Today Kohl's Stores, no better, is trading lower itself. So again, Kohl's Stores trading lower. I don't have a level right off the bat, but we will have a level once the opening bell rings. We'll see where we'll play this one. But Kohl's Stores is in play today. Other retailers could be in play like TJ Maxx, ticker symbol TJX, also ROST, which is Ross Stores, also under the pressure, a little bit of pressure here this morning. So again, keep those on the radar. They'll play in sympathy. Next up, we want to take a look at Computer Associates, or CA Technologies as it's called these days. Stock is trading at $31.12, closed at $29.96. So decent little pop. I don't really see this getting much above 31. So be careful here if you own it. Trail your stop loss immediately. If you don't own it, do not chase it. I will look at this for topping signs today, and if I do see it, we will look to short it. But right now, I am not seeing much upside according to my calculations in CA this morning. All right, let's take a look at Cena Corp. I believe they reported earnings as well. Stock is trading at $49.49 on extremely light volume. Closed at $49.83. So again, it's a little bit underwater. Not much we're going to do with it right now. We will look at Cena once the opening bell rings today. Let's take a look at InfoBlocks, and you're going to take the ticker symbol BLOX, and you'll see that this stock right now is trading at $18.40, closed at $15.31. So this is a pretty good pop. It looks like this is a possible takeover by a private equity firm. Again, so be very, very careful on the short side. Although it is overbought, I would not chase it. If it does move higher by some chance, it should stall out around 2060 today. Then we'll look at it maybe as a little pullback or something like that. But again, it will be on our radar, and that's BLOX InfoBlocks. Let's take a look at Perrigo, PRGO. Right now, the stock is trading at $93, closed at $92.75. I believe they had earnings as well. Again, the stock is not doing much ahead of the opening bell, so we'll look at this one once the opening bell rings at 9:30 a.m. Right now, it is only 8:45. All right, let's turn our attention now to the gold market. Gold is trading down $2.70 to $1,272.80 an ounce. So a little dip in gold, and then we have crude oil trading higher by 41 cents a barrel to 46.65. This is a new multi-month high for crude. Take a look at the USO. you'll see that is trading at 11.49, closed at 11.34 yesterday. That is reflecting the uptick. So all in all, crude is trading higher. Those of you that want my crude analysis, come on over to the Research Center. Talk about it every night, every day. And again, if you want it immediately, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room, and you'll see everything that we're doing as far as crude is concerned right now at this point in time. All right, we're going to leave it here short and sweet. If you take a look at the S&P 500 E-mini futures, still trading up 11.25 points, although they are starting to fade back down just a touch here. We'll see how this market plays out. And again, it's expected to be choppy over the next couple of weeks, but that means trading opportunities in day trade in the scalp and day trading world. So again, if you want, come over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. Otherwise, we will see you on the charts.